Today is April 22nd, 2023, and if I've done my calculations correctly, this should be the G black box. The reason I say calculations, I never saw it listed on Amazon as the G box. I did a little digging through a description and saw it was listed as number 7, and the 7th letter of the alphabet happens to be G. So let's open it, see what's in here. Keep our fingers crossed that this actually is the G black box. Let's see what we have. Well, that looks good. It is the G box, as you can see there. So it is from the G case. So far, so good. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. An 88 Honda CRX. That's a nice looking little casting. The 88 Jeep Wagoneer. So far, so good. We're doing good. Oh, that's kind of cool. 64 Nova Gasser with the Supernova livery on it. That's kind of cool. One of the art cars. Oh, dear Lord. And naturally, I love a 72 Ford Ranchero. I had a 65 El Camino myself, as you've probably heard me mention several times. This looks like it's done in a Partridge Family style. Huh. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, cool. A Fiat 500e. That's nice. I've got to mess around with one of these days. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Factory fresh. There's something about that green that's not working for me. But it's a beautiful car. 2023 Nissan Z. That's a nice looking car. Wheel swap would do wonders for that thing. Gotta go. Actually, as I'm getting older, maybe I need one of these cars with a toilet on the back. I don't know. Special feature. Yeah, the toilet seat lifts. Okay. One loser so far out of the group. Batmobile. Oh, dear God. I love the casting. I absolutely hate the poo brown color. Ugh. Batman. I can't be reading that right. Batman, He Brave and the Bold. Did they leave a letter out of that? I can't get that to focus. Anyhow, yeah. Solar reflex. Yeah, big solar panel on the top of the car. Okay, that's just kind of goofy. 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. New for 2023. That is sweet. That, dear Lord, I wouldn't mind having that just to drive around in. Man, get that out on the free. I bet that's a fantastic car out on the freeway. Hey, Star Wars. Got a land speeder. That's pretty cool. Huh. I don't know why. I wasn't expecting anything like that. New for 2023 Rally Special. That's kind of cool. That, oh geez, I can't think of the name of the car off the top of my head. But it reminds me of, oh Lord. Anyhow, I'm old and forgetful. I built a model of the actual, I think what this is based on, looking at the livery and stuff, when I was a kid. What the heck? The new for 2023 Baja Bison T5. Man, that screams for a post-apocalyptic build. That would be fantastic. Yeah, that definitely is going to get a post-apocalyptic build. Yeah. Tony Hawk. Got Tony Hawk on a skateboard. Either a real tiny Tony Hawk or a real huge skateboard. One of the two. And finally, The Mazda Repu, I believe is how you say it. I drove a little tiny Toyota pickup many years ago, and I'm too tall for a real tiny little pickup. I need more legroom. I basically was looking between my knees as I was steering the thing. So there you have it. A few questionable ones. Not too shabby. Some real good castings. I'm really happy with some of these. These are, yeah, I didn't expect a land speeder at all. Yeah, some of these are just great looking cars. Some definitely have a lot of post-apocalyptic build potential. Eek, that Batmobile, man. Man. I don't know about the Batmobile. Yeah, I'm just taking another glance at him here. I love that Batmobile casting. I just really hate the color they put on it. Kind of like the same for the art car Ranchero. Nova Wagon Gasser. Yeah, all in all, it's a great group of cars. And I think this is another winner of a box. Nothing special. No treasure hunts, anything like that. But all in all, and it was case G. So I guess we have to keep an eye out at Amazon for how they're marking things, just to be sure. I hope you like this box opening. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.